side boys told me 70 on the strip, I'm ready to die.
Yes, I am.
Yeah, goon.
Alright, Goons, part 2. Got new axles. Sneak attack. Carlos joined us.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Wait, I think I have tools.
Alright, chat. This was like the hardest axle. Shut your motherfucking ass out, motherfucker. It took 3 strong men. 20 years later, chat. Thanks to T. Cockamore. Okay. Oh my lord.
I praise the Lord, I praise the Lord, I praise the Lord, I praise the Lord.
Huh?
Oh!
Yes, guy.
Wasted the ace pineapple.
That was leaking.
Oh boy, good boy.
Now my hand's sticky. This shit is still leaking. It's a good drink, man. It is.
Okay. They left me. You guys are ABSing. Okay. You trying to toke it or what? Come here, boy. How are you guys doing that? I'm not doing that. Oh,
You hit your ankles.
This way. There you go.
it says we can't go this way. Oh. You smell good. You smell so good. Oh, I like your scooter.
Let's butt chug right now.
Oh! Oh! Ah! Oh! 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 Go! Oh! Here you go! Oh!
Oh, you're catching.
I'm getting it! Oh, watch out! No! Oh, I got you, Diego. I got you. I got you. Ah! Secret tunnel? Okay, it is a secret one. Hard. Oh no, we can't ride it here. Alright.
I'm gonna get a cookie.
You're not
What kind of cookie?
Unless I tell you. You got it
He
all
just hold my hand. I'm scared.
Huh? Here?
Where are we going? Okay, look at this guy.
Milk.
You got the same thing?
No, daddy.
Daddy, chill.
She asked you, not me.
I can't pull husband.
I can't either. They just don't gravitate towards me. Even when I'm holding the camera.